Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, and today we're going to break down the Alpinestars Faster Airflow leather jacket. The Faster Airflow jacket retails for $3.99. That's a great price for a premium Alpinestars leather jacket. This is intended for warm weather riding. It doesn't include a removable vest line or insulated liner of any sort. It is just a fully perforated leather jacket meant for those warm, sunny days when you want to be out on the bike but still want that high level of protection. It's important to note also, we don't update videos when pricing changes, only if the product itself has changed. And as of right now, like I said, the retail is $3.99. Let's talk sizing real quick. 5 feet 11 inches tall, 200 pounds on the money, 33-inch waist. I'm wearing a size 56 Euro right now in the Faster Airflow jacket. We'll give you a good 360 of how it fits me, so you can use that as a benchmark for yourself. It's also important to note that I've installed in the chest the CE certified chest armor inserts, as well as the CE certified back insert in the jacket. This jacket does not come with any foam inserts. They've stopped doing that in the Alpinestars suits and jackets in the chest and back. The stuff doesn't really provide any protection when you really get down to it. The pockets are all still there to accept the upgrades, and we think they're worth investing in. It's going to come with CE bio armor in the elbow, forearm, and shoulder, right? So by adding those two other pieces, you're complementing that and really upgrading the protection quite a bit. There's a shoulder slider that is integrated into this jacket for aesthetic purposes. They have went over it with leather. It's a good, clean look with this jacket. Gives you kind of the illusion of a race hump, but there is no race hump there. Subtle styling. Iconic Alpinestars logo embroidered on, split by the zip. Tons of perforation up front here. Hand warmer style storage pockets both sides. And you'll note that they have a leather zipper pull. The pockets are also a little larger than we're used to seeing. These are big enough that if you're wearing a light summer glove, you should be able to get into the pocket without taking your glove off. And that is aided, of course, by having that zipper pull right there. Internally, there is a storage pocket on the left breast of this jacket. If you want to take a pair of leather pants and have a two-piece riding suit, this jacket includes a zip-to-pant attachment system to help facilitate that. Volume adjustment here is provided at the waist with leather and a metal snap. Enter and exit the cuff. We have a locking zipper, a leather flap with some Velcro to tidy everything up. The zipper is hidden and invisible. The stretch fabric you see here in the arm is going to flow air freely. It aids in mobility, and it also aids in airflow. If you want a closer look from the inside out, stay tuned. I'm going to take the jacket off, disassemble it completely, and give you just that. Okay, inside out Faster Airflow jacket. We'll start off with the armor that comes included in the coat. Here's your bio armor, soft shell, moldable, flexible, comfortable. This stuff is temperature sensitive too, right? The warmer it gets, the more comfortable it gets. Here's your elbow piece, and here is the piece in the shoulder. This jacket does not come with any foam in the chest compartments or the back compartment. That's a change that Alpinestars made, kind of a running change within the last 12 months. They do have the armor upgrades available. There are multiple levels, so we're not going to focus on the levels right now, but I'm going to show you the one that really makes a lot of sense for this coat, and it's the KR2i, CE certified, and it's a material like that, but even a little more sensitivity to the heat. The warmer this thing gets, it just gets super moldable, comfortable. You see it helps to preserve airflow too, and you have a lot of protection with this. If you're interested in adding the chest armor, here are the chest pieces. This stuff's really affordable. It's all merchandised really easy on the site. Able to find it if you want to buy it and add it to your jacket. Focusing on the jacket itself right now, look at all that glorious perforation. That's what's going to keep you cool and comfortable when you're on your bike enjoying that nice summer ride. One of the details I really appreciate with this coat are going to be the embroidered logos. Those always last longer and look better longer, in my opinion, than the screen printed stuff. So you have that right here, and this is actually a hunk of leather that's embroidered onto the coat, so it's raised a little bit. Just really looks nice, cool detail. Little color blocking found here. Here's your volume adjuster for the waist. You know, giving you that race hump look. You come up here, we've got a little of that four-way stretch fabric up here at the top. And this tiny little detail here, there's a little foam stitched inside there. Gives it that racy look. Sleeve of the coat, large panels of leather, a lot of protection. Reflective panel here. This is going to be visible basically 360 degrees, front, side, and rear. Built-in shoulder slider, that is covered with leather, and then there's another embroidered A-Star logo over the top of it. Embroidered logo here at the collar. A lot of stretch fabric is used on this coat, all in the arm, up into the chest, and even into the back. This really enhances the mobility of the jacket. Instead of the jacket fighting you and pulling, right, it just allows you to move comfortably on the bike. Like we showed you on the rear and the front, we got a ton of perforation. A-Star logo embroidered, split by the zip. You got those two generously sized hand warmer style storage pockets with the zips both right and left. Comfort lined collar. That is a nice soft fabric right there, really feels good against the skin. You get down into the termination here, the sleeve and the cuff area. There is a nice soft fabric right there as well, so it feels good. Inside the coat, full mesh liner. Here's your zip to pants attachment system. If you want to install the back protector pad, just simply slide it in this pocket. It's very easy to do. If you want to install the chest armor, you open the zip down here on the bottom of the coat, and from there you're able to slide your hand up into the coat. You'll quickly find, and I'll try and show you as much of this as I can, the pocket for that armor, right? It's just got a Velcro closure on it. Pretty easy to do here, right? It's right up in this area. There it is right there. Slide it in, close the Velcro, you're good to go. This side also has that storage pocket here, that left breast storage pocket. That's pretty sizable, so you see that fabric in there with the chest armor. The other side's a little more clear when you get in there. All in all, what do I think of this coat? I think at $3.99, this is a great value. And they didn't skimp. You know, the embroidered logos, I think, are a bonus. The leather has a nice hand. It has good thickness, tons of perforation. And when I'm shopping for a leather jacket, that's one of the features I absolutely have to have. Tons of perf, because I want to be as cool as possible while on the bike. I dig it. I think you will too. I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com.